How to play Android games on Windows 11. We'll show you how to play Android games on your Windows 11 computer using Google Play Games. To run Android games on your Windows 11 PC, you'll need to download Google Play Games from their official website. Open the browser, then search Google Play Games on Google. Then click on this link. Then scroll down. Then click on Explore. Now click on Download Beta. After finishing download, click to open it. Now installation will begin. Wait a moment. After complete installation, sign in with your Google account. Then follow the command and accept the default options. Done! You are now ready to play Android games on your Windows 11 PC. Let's try a game to play. Wow, amazing! Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.